So in the trunk of your Crosstrek, the seat belt for the middle seat right here is tucked away on the right side right here. In order to use it, you just pull up on this main piece, and then the small piece comes out from the side, and now this is free. And you would thread this through this hook right here that's on the middle passenger headrest or beside it. So you just thread it on just like this. And then on the other side, you'd come around, open the door, and then over here, you would grab it back. And you now note two ends, a small end and a larger regular size end. The regular size end would go on this side, right here. And then once it's clicked in, you can put in the small one, or you can do it in the reverse order. And the small one would go into the smaller receptacle right here. And then the large buckle goes over there. Just like that. Now I'll zoom out so you can maybe see the whole setup better. And now you can see this creates a 3-point middle seat belt. And this looks small, but it's actually comfortable enough, and it kind of extends out when someone loosens this up such that it's comfortable enough for an adult as well. Hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.